ethics. Greetings.
Assalamu alaikum, Hamza.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
I am okay, what about you?
Pretty good, thank you so much for asking.
Welcome, have a nice day.
Remember, inform students about ethical rules, tell the students to say, Assalamu alaikum, say good morning before 12 p.m., and good evening after 4 p.m., and say, Allah Hafiz, while leaving. How to take permission.
Hi Junaid, may I borrow your book?
Yes, sure, Alina.
Thank you Junaid, for your kind cooperation, Allah bless you.
You are welcome, stay blessed, Ameen.
Sir, may I come in?
Yes, Amina, come in.
Friends.
Aruj and Sarah are friends. They play with each other. Both are classmates. Both are very intelligent students of class.
Sharing. Sharing book. Sharing umbrella. Sharing toys. Sharing food.